Hi, this is Teacher Dairo. So I want to explain to you how you can find ratio and how you can also get other people's shares given one of their shares. Let's start with the question 8. These two people win money in a competition. They share the money in the ratio 2 and 3. Molly receives £240. How much money does Chris receive? Alright, first of all, we need to add the two ratios together. The total ratios will be 2 add 3. Now, do not forget that the first person they mentioned will have the first ratio. So, Chris will have ratio 2 and Molly will have ratio 3. Alright, so their total ratio will be 5. Alright, so after that, if their total ratio is 5 and Molly could get £240, do not forget that Molly was having ratio 3. So it means that if I have ratio 3, 3 parts can give 3 parts, look at it very well. 3 parts gave us 240. Do not forget that Molly is taking ratio 3 and 3 parts equals to 240 that Molly received. If Molly could receive 3 parts and it equals to 240, then 1 part should be how much? If 3 parts equals to 240, then 1 part should be 240 divided by 3. Then that will be 80. So if anyone is having 1 part, meaning that if anyone is having ratio 1, then the share should be £80. Alright, how much money does Chris receive? Do not forget that Chris is having ratio 2. And if anyone is having 1 part, the person will take £80. So if the person is having 2 parts, the person will not take double of the 80, or better still, multiply 80 by 2. Then you get 160. So therefore, Chris is having 2 parts and Chris is having £160. Alright, apart from that, the second question asks us, how much money did they win in the competition? Once I've already been told that Molly received 240 and they were just 2 that won this. Okay, and also Chris, I've forgotten the share for Chris. So Chris got £160. Altogether, how much money did they win in the competition? 240 plus 140 equals to 400.